Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will look how the study of basic network commands and network configuration commands. So for that purpose, here I am using a small local area network. If you want to know how I have been connected here, please look at my previous video. Now we will look all the 6 commands how we are using by using this local area network. So firstly, we will use ping command. So for that, click on a device, go to the desktop, click on the command prompt and type ping and choose any of the IP address. Here I am taking as 192.168.10.5. The IP address is nothing but than the printer. Here you can see we are getting replay from the device to the printer. How many packets we have been sent, we can also see here. How many packets has been received and how many packets has been lost, we can see here. Now we will look the net stat. For that, I am clicking on the select application and I am choosing HTTPS and I am choosing the destination IP address as a server and I am setting the periodic interval as 5 and I am creating a PDU. So while the process has been going on, we can see how the information is getting been transmitted and what's the happening by using the netstat command. So for that, go to command prompt and give the command as netstat. Here we can see the TCP. For that, here we are seeing the IP address, how has been it been transmitted. We will look that. We are sending the information by choosing those. Here it's been taking some time. If you want to know more in detail about the netstat, you can also watch my previous video. I have explained in clear and more about the netstat command, how we have been used. And when we are using the netstat command, it will show the address and the state where it is located. So while the command is going on, we will come up with the next command. We will use the ipconfig command here. So the ipconfig we will use to know the configuration of the device. We can look the IP address of the device. So for that, in command prompt, I am using ipconfig. Here you can see the IP address of the device and we can also see the default gateway if we have specified any. And if we want to see all the devices what were connected in LAN, we can use the command as ipconfig/all. Here you can see the MAC address, the physical address. Now we will look the other fourth command, which is called traceat. Traceat is used to trace from the device A to, if we are sending the any information to the device B or else for the printer, it will show how the packet has been transferring from the device to either other device or else printer. It's been show the path how it's been going from one to other. So for that, when you are entered the traceat command and given the IP address of the device, it will show how the device is getting been transmitted, on which path it's been going on. Now we will look the another one, which is ns lookup. So for the ns lookup command, we need to do a small thing. For that, click on the server and go to the services, then click on and you should be enable the DNS and give a name. Here I am giving as a website www.printer.com and it's just look up, the type should be a record and the address we are going to give here the printer address. So here I am specifying the printer IP address. So once we have been given, we need to add that. So here I have been added. So once it has been done, now we will look how the ns look command will work. So here I am typing the command ns lookup and I am giving the name what I have been said there. Here you can see the status where it will getting been transmitted the address and the name what we have given. If we give the name, it will show the address where it is been getting transmitted. Now we will look at the last, the which is nothing but the command is arp. So for that, here I am using arp. So once we enter the arp, we can see here a few info. One is like to display the arp entries, we need to use the arp a, and if we want to clear the data, then we need to use arpd. So firstly, here I am using arpa command, and to look where the physical address has been is located. Now there are three ip addresses because we did use the commands. In this, now we will clear and we will add our own. To add new entries, firstly here I am clearing the data. For that, here we are using the command called arpd. So it will clear the data what has been previously, it's there in that. Now we are creating the new entries by using a command arpa. So it's showing to create the new entries. So for that, here I am using a command to add the arp. So for that, here I am using a command called ping, and I am specifying the IP address of a device. Now we can see the status here. It is showing how many packets has been sent and how many packets has been received with, and how many we have been lost. So now I am adding one more. Firstly, we have seeing here only one device is been there. Now I will add one more. So by adding one more, you can even see at the ARPA with the two devices. I will show how to look those. Give the command as ARPA. See, now you can see here two physical addresses with type called dynamic. Thank you.